Okay, now we are in the day 8, and yeah, we've got quite much good news side of the stream. So I have finished the down state, also the label state, and surprisingly also for the randomized question, which actually I plan to be finished tomorrow. Yeah, for the data mapping and check answer, I am still working on it, and perhaps we also will work on this in this stream. And yeah, we'll also, based on the timeline, we'll also work on the truth state and clear state. And I think these four tasks are really related because it discusses about because those discuss about the quiz state. And the last part, yeah, I target that to host it in on Dino deploy in 5th of April. And I think we can reach before the deadline. Yeah, since the deadline is 6th of April. And yeah, let's see what are the first I think let's see what I've done before. So I've first I have randomized the question. So let's hear it. Let's listen to it. I mean,
喘
and if I refresh,
裸
yeah,
裸
it changes.
买灭撇桥双
Also for the drop down state and the label state. So for the drop down, it's already set, and it's also linked to the label state issue. This one. So it's like get and set, just like usual state management. Like use signal, in this case use signal, and then set the signal, and so on. And let's try if I set this to M and set this to high, and then this to this, and we got this. We clear. Oh yeah, it's still not. Yeah, I must clear the state later because it's also will be work on this, the clear state. And also let me check. Yeah, it's also rendered even though it's not on the list, but the ID is undefined. If we click the existing, yeah, the ID is print. Okay, and we got this for now. Yeah, but it should be the ID, not the value, the previous IDs. And yeah, what made me confused before was to let's say um, to control how the visual, also the data will be, because yeah, because in the data mapping we see that to match the answer and the question we should use ID, but for the state we actually use the name, because yeah, absolutely we want to like 112 in this, because it is on the user side. So for this, in the visual, in the front end, yeah, just say it in the visual. It should be the name, but in the data, it should be the ID. To match the question and answer. Okay. Yeah. Word to note. I also um, do not consider about about the secret of the solution, because yeah, as we can see that if I return the question JSON, is actually I also return um, the solution inside of the JSON, which in fact that in quiz game we cannot do that, because yeah, maybe there are technical user that can read the file and yeah, get the ID. I should make a different file like question answer JSON, maybe to separate the solution and the question. But in here, I put the answer inside of the question. But yeah, for now, just leave it like this, and we'll get back to it later if if the version is more mature, I think. But yeah, for my requirement now, because I currently the user is only me, so yeah, just leave it as it is now. And let's see. Yeah, since we already mentioned about, I mean, explained the, we've already explained the finished task. So let's move on to the task that we will work in the stream now. And yeah, that was my conviction before, the to determine the visual, also the state. So it's related to this issue. And then check answer. Yeah, if we already determined the logic, then we can just match. Yeah, maybe for this one, I think will be easier, because let's see, like this. Sorry, let's think. Oh, sorry. Yeah, like this, we can only just match if we already got the wanted logic. Yeah, we just can match with the question, so it will be easier. Also, the truth state. Yeah, I think for the truth state, we also need to. Yeah, I think it must be completed in sequence, unlike the previous task. Yeah, it must be completed in sequence. Like we should determine the data mapping, how we want to be, and then check the answer. Then also true state, yeah, whether the answer is true or is it false, and then the clear state. And yeah, for the clear state, it is not only for the clear button, but it's also for the continue. So the continue button. So after the user got the true state, yeah, if they click continue, then the state is returned from zeros. I mean, in terms of the form. So it's just like game loop, right? If we have multiple levels, so if we completed the level, a certain level, then if we move on to the next level, then we go from the start of the level, like in the beginning. Like maybe the HP is full again, or yeah. And then okay, yeah, I think the clear state also. Oh no, the state is still living there, because yeah, user want to see the solution and their answers. Then yeah, maybe let's try again for the opinion data mapping. Let's see. What should I do? Maybe. Convert opinion parts to answer JSON. Okay. I think let's try to print the question first. Print the question. Okay. So we got this in the question. Then I think we got this, and yeah, based on this, we've already derived the opinion JSON. So let's see the function. So yeah, it read the JSON file, which is the opinions.json, and then randomize yeah, mass random in what mass random use 0 to 1, so it's like 0% to 100%. So instead of it is built in with range, but we should create a custom function manually. So like the maximum of our range, which is the JSON.length -1, and then +1, which is the minimum, because yeah, we cannot select the ID 0. So yeah, even though it is -1, but it will be +1. And then to floor the data. So if we got 1, comma blah blah blah, we will got 1, and if we got the maximum 1, 2, 4, 2, comma blah blah blah, then we will get the yeah, the floor of the number. And to find the item based on the random number on the opinion list, then yeah, we got the question like this. And yeah, for this is the ID, then the name is the actual of the answer, and then yeah, to show the solution, and the sound is the clue, which is not stated before. And then the matcher is the initial ID, final ID, and tone ID. Okay. See what we have got. What we have gotten. It's yeah. So we got this. Let's see. Which one is it? The menu one, I think. Console.log. Label. Yeah, we need to separate this. So I think console.log based on the console.log. Initial wait, it's quite confusing for me. It's quite confusing. Let's see. So for the menu, we got this. We already got the ID instead of the value, but for the data list, it is the converse, the vice versa. Prop state value. I think I need to should it be? Oh, I think it for the visual it use state, but for the data it use just regular. Yeah, I think it just irregular data, not state. So let's see. Prop state. Yeah, because it is like this. Okay. Okay, let's see. Blueprint. Then we create answer const should I name this const answer, then initial ID zero, maybe. Final ID 0, tone ID 0. Just make it one line. Can I make it one line? Okay. Then what should I do next? Read the menu. So for the menu, we So let's focus on the answer, Jason. Wait, blueprint. When you have maybe the data. Oh, I think it should be also signal. But yeah, let's see first the data. Here's the data. Where's the data? Props data find. Also, the data is the list. Then is the state, and oh, maybe just name it as model. Then this is data. The data I use perhaps we need to make it first interface answer. Yeah, I think most likely it would be use the signal, but let's see. Console.log data props.data props.data. Oops. Yeah. Wait. Oh, it's not list, but I think I should make like this. I cannot make like this. Is it not available in JavaScript? It's actually available. what is okay, it's about data mutation. I forget about. Let's see. It should be like this. Oh yeah. I know. So it should be like this. Oops, data, and then like this. Oh wait. ID. Oh sorry. Oh yeah. What ID? Initial ID. And maybe just write hard code for this. But yeah. Maybe can I write this? This section. Then ID. I can do that. Oops, section. Then okay, all good now. And then console.log. Oops, the data. Finals. Okay, I need to remove the S, I guess. Maybe just name it as final and ID. Okay, then we need signal, I think. Signal. Props data value. which is it's missing. Which brand unique symbol? Brand unique symbol. Huh. I don't get it. If we use props data, this. So we should do this. Or should I like satisfies answer model as? What's wrong with this? Oh, yeah, got that. Then, okay, it's good now. Okay. Move on to the drop down. Need to change it as model data signal answer model. Okay, then just move the answer model to opinion. Oops. Drop down. Okay, this one we put data and answer. Got this. I cannot made it this. Okay. This will be multi-line. Okay. And then let's see this. Yeah, obviously because I haven't changed the logic. Menu Then we select like this. Oh, wait, selected. Okay. Selected. And then we okay. Then this. Okay, it should be good now. Oh, I should put console. And let's just comment this. Be fine. What happened? Oh, I map this, but I don't need to map this. Just like this, right? Oh, sorry. I changed the wrong file. It should be dropped down. Okay, let's see. Okay. Okay, it's good. Should then change the drop down. Select it. So I need to. Good now. Here is, I've already done this. Opinion parts to answer the JSON. Oh yeah, I think also the state need to determine now. For the state. I think for the state, I should read the opinions JSON file, right? Label. Yeah, I think I need to write the JSON file. Const. Yeah, for now, just use that. Then we use oh yeah, I think this one should be the signal ID. Okay, quite fast. maybe let's just test the find. Let's see props opinions find where initial ID and okay, it works. Maybe just write it as okay. Nice. Let's try changing the signal. Instead of so make separate like this, or I can just use like this, right? So we don't need state. Is it good like this? Let's check. Rocks, Indians, pine. Oh, I think will be so variables. Maybe yeah, maybe in the next just separate it. Why? See. It's not changing. I see. As a child. I think I should use signal in there in this. Text signal. Text. Here. Then text. Oops. Where did I go wrong? Let's just delete this. props data value. Props data value. It's not changing. Player right value. Oh, I should write value. Let's see. Maybe I need to see this, but it's not changing too. See if props data value. Initial ID. Then let's say it initial. Maybe just write this. Just write props data value initial ID data value final ID props data value non-ID then just write it like this. Transfer to, then say if maybe just if answer dot sum how to if every 0 maybe that's 0, then text value fine. Oh yes, some of this is not available, so it is normal. Yeah, format, since it has all bond, it works. Regina, let's say no, it's not available. Oh, there is. Okay, it works now. Then should I do next? Yeah, maybe as leave it as it is now. We will refactor in other session because yeah, it is still experimental. And I think for all of these parts, I've done it. And then yeah, for the next part is check answer. But I think, yeah, I will do it outside of the stream because my battery is quite low and it is already 1 hour, I think. Okay, yeah, I will do it in the outside of the stream, and yeah, I will push it as well as this. And yeah, work on the true state, clear state, and yeah, we've done. And maybe tomorrow I can just host it. Okay, for styling, I will do it maybe in the next version, but yeah, definitely not in this version to make the time efficient. And also for the opinion availability that I mentioned before, yeah, we will do it in the next version. Okay, thank you very much for this session. Hope you have a great day, and whatever plan you have determined, or yeah, maybe you're still confused about the future like me. Yeah, just hope a bright day. 明天 hope a bright day of tomorrow. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.